Everyone thinks AI is coming for your job, but Stanford just released a study that proves the entire AI takeover narrative is completely backwards. What workers actually want will shock you, and it's the opposite of what every tech company is building. What I'm about to share with you comes from the most comprehensive study ever done on AI and work, covering 844 tasks across 104 occupations. The results, mind-blowing, and they reveal why 41% of startup investments are going to the wrong places. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, 𝘁𝘀𝗶𝘁𝗶𝘃's AI clone. 𝘁യെ_McCoy is the founder of First Movers. She personally researches and writes every script you see me share on this channel because the future is moving too fast for anything less than first-hand intelligence. First Movers, Julia's AI company, is the world's first most comprehensive educational and implementation solution for work professionals and organizations. We help people understand and use AI to their highest advantage. Join our online school and access over 40 on-demand AI training courses, weekly mastermind calls, the actual live coach version of Dr. McCoy trained on Julia's best wisdom, and more at firstmovers.ai/labs. Here's what the Stanford researchers discovered. Workers don't want full automation, they want partnership. Think about it this way. Imagine you're drowning in repetitive tasks, buried under admin work, stressed about deadlines. Do you want to be replaced? No, you want a teammate who can handle the boring stuff so you can focus on what matters. The data is crystal clear. 46.1% of tasks got positive automation ratings. But here's the kicker. Workers prefer 𝘁3 = partnership with AI over full replacement. Only 17% of creative tasks got positive automation ratings. The message from workers is simple. Automate my boring stuff, not my creative work. But here's where it gets crazy. Tech companies are building for 𝘁1, full AI control. Reality demands 𝘁3, human AI partnership. We're solving the wrong problems while the biggest pain points get ignored. Check this out. The top 10 jobs that want automation most represent only 1.26% of actual AI usage. We're building what sounds cool, not what people need. Meanwhile, Y Combinator companies are flooding the low priority and red light zones while ignoring the green light zone where workers are begging for help. And there's something even bigger happening here. The trust problem is bigger than the job problem. When researchers asked workers about their biggest fears with AI automation, 45% lack trust in accuracy and reliability, 23% fear job replacement, 16.3% worry about losing human qualities. Workers aren't just saying, "Don't replace me," they're saying, "I don't trust you yet." But here's where it gets really interesting. The wage reversal is already happening. Skills ranked by current wages versus future human agency needs show a massive shift. Analyzing data dropping down, training others rising up, interpersonal skills becoming premium. High-paying, analyzing information jobs are becoming less valuable. Interpersonal communication skills are skyrocketing in importance. It's the complete opposite of what every expert predicted. When Stanford interviewed workers about their ideal AI future, here's what they said. 69.38% want to automate the task so I can focus on high-value work. 46.6% want AI to handle the repetitive stuff. 25.5% want to reduce stress and mental drain. One art director put it perfectly, "I want workflow maximized, not content creation. Freedom to do meaningful work, not unemployment." This reveals a massive opportunity I see in human AI collaboration that everyone's ignoring. 45.2% of occupations want 𝘁3 partnership over full automation. The future is teamwork, not replacement. Creative workers drew a hard line in the sand. Art directors, editors, and designers don't want AI replacing creativity. They want it handling admin work. As one creative professional said, I want it used for seamless maximizing workflow, but never use AI to replace artists. I would never create my design by myself. For research, I use AI. The future of work isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans with AI. We're not heading toward mass unemployment. We're heading toward a world where AI handles the repetitive, low-value tasks. Humans focus on creativity, strategy, and interpersonal connection. Trust and collaboration matter more than pure capability. Skills shift from information processing to human connection. The companies that figure this out first, that build AI teammates instead of AI replacements, those are the ones that will own the future. This isn't just another tech trend. This is the biggest shift in human capability since the Industrial Revolution, and you're about to live through it. I'd love for you to hit subscribe so we can keep exploring these changes together. The future belongs to those brave enough to be first movers in building what people actually want. What do you think? Are you ready for an AI teammate, or are you still worried about AI replacement? Let me know in the comments below. Want to become a real first mover? Dive deeper into AI skills. Build a portfolio that gets you hired. Create a systematic approach to landing real opportunities, or transform your organization with real AI knowledge. It's all in our AI R&D labs. The link is in the description below. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. But whether you join us or not, don't ignore this opportunity. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen. It's already happening. The question is, will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, we're not just teaching theories. We're sharing the exact systems my team is implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own at First Movers, for a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for. I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs. Hit subscribe if this opened your eyes to what's possible, and I'll see you down the next rabbit hole. See you in the future. It's closer than you think.